Patrick with you today from PCB Reflections, and today we're going to bring you this Volkswagen Golf Type R. This was a fairly rare car brought to the U.S. for 2018, and PCB Reflections had the luxury of detailing this vehicle and protecting it with Expel paint protection film. We're very pleased to be able to offer this service to all of our clientele, and we want you guys to know that when there can be no shortcuts taken. We want this car to represent our business to the utmost standard. So with that being said, we'll bring in and we'll talk about this particular detail and how we did this in the order where we did it. So we started with a partial hood. This received 20 inches of coverage from the bottom edge up. There's a line that runs across the hood. We did a bikini cut, which gives it a curvature. We personally like the bikini cut. We pulled it down to the edges to cover the edges, which gave us a nice seamless look. Now you do have the line across the hood. From there, we took and we pulled the line up over the fenders. So we got front fender coverage. This is also wrapped with all the edges seamed up to where they're supposed to be to look like a seamless look other than that partial line. In one sense, some protection is better than no protection. The full panels are great for aesthetics, but when you're serving the purpose of protecting, this is what you need to protect your car from rock chip damage. The protector package is the full, we call it the protector package. That's the full panel kit. This is the daily driver package. This is your partial. There's nothing wrong with the partial. We do not mind the line. We understand that paint protection film is meant to protect, not to perfect. With that being said, guys, so we got the hood. Expel Ultimate is a self-healing paint protection film warranted for 10 years. We got the partial hood. We got the fenders. We wrapped the mirror caps from exposure that could possibly happen from road debris, rock chips, and things like that. We got the mirror caps done. We coming back here, we did the B-pillars. B-pillar, so this vehicle is painted with a base coat clear coat during manufacturing. During manufacturing, these panels are subbed out, these B-pillars on all cars are subbed out to a third-party company during assembly, during manufacturing, and these are actually a tinted plastic. So they are very easily scratched. We highly recommend putting paint protection film on all B-pillars, on all tinted plastic, on all vehicles to protect from the damage that can occur. Ceramic coatings help, paint protection film eliminates that problem. So we did the B-pillars. Nice single pieces, edgeless look. We then come inside the door. We did a custom door sill kit, which means a single piece cut 6.5 inches wide and the length needed to cover the area needed here. That strands from here to here. This will protect you when you're getting in and out of the vehicle. This will protect you from kicking and damaging your feet, from kicking and damaging the door seal, the door jamb protection. So that's a great option there. And we did that on all 4 doors. Very nice install that's sometimes done with multi-pieces. We do it with a single piece if can be done. Another add-on that we did for this vehicle, we call them the door cups. And that is where your fingernails, rings, those types of issues cause the scratches down inside the door handle from where you reach inside the handle. We properly place these inside here to eliminate damage moving forward from fingernails and rings. All right, coming around the rear of the vehicle here. On this particular car, this car is brand new, guys. Just picked up from the dealership, brought straight to us, has 120 miles on it. Was done before any rock chip damage occurred, which is very important. We did a custom luggage piece to give a nice seamless look. Very nice install there. While loading and unloading things out of the trunk, these areas are often scratched, so now that won't be an issue with this vehicle anymore. Coming back around to the front. After those areas of interest were covered in paint protection film, we then focused on the headlights. These headlights are a single piece, stretched into place. No ghosting, no silvering, nothing like that, guys. These headlights were properly installed. All this was. Any type of issues we had during installation, we addressed it right then and there. So the headlights were protected. All right, then we did the full front bumper. This was a single piece that starts from this edge of the bumper, pulls all the way around, and comes into this. Nice recessed cut here, everything stretched. All the parking sensor indicators are properly lined up. You don't have any, a lot of these guys are throwing these kits on cars real fast, like an overhanging paint protection film over top of the parking sensor indicators. Not here at PCB Reflections. We're not going to let that leave this shop. We also do the tow hook cover. Nice little piece of coverage there. Now getting into the more intricate parts of this detail. Come on down here, Brandon. Let's bring them down a little close. Let's bring them down low. Get down low so we can show them all this stuff here. So we do all these grille inserts. All this is 1-piece, 2-piece, 3-piece, 4-piece, and then 5-piece brings this giant piece up and all the way over to the other side. Nice custom insert. This is gloss black. You don't have any ghosting, no silvering, none of those issues, guys. We're doing quality installs. We're doing the best we can. Now, we are humans, but with that being said, we're highly educated and highly trained in this subject. This piece right here is a custom install. We also did a nice additional touch here. This lip is known for being scratched up during parking and moving and going down into deep curbs and things. Now, with a strong enough impact, you could damage this, tear the PPF, but let's just say this is going to give you the best protection on the market from preventing those damages from occurring. If it's a blunt force impact, it's going to hurt something. We also wrap all these small little grille inserts that you can see through, all the way back, all the way up and over the edge. Guys, when we're doing our installs, we really take longevity in mind. We want these kits, we want our paint protection film installs to last years and years with no issues. With that being said, during our installs, we properly trim all of the edges that could give you possible issues to save you that inconvenience from having to come back and us do a little trimming. Now, sometimes that stuff happens, guys. This is paint protection film. There is sometimes trimming required after an install. There's nothing we can do about that. We take all these precautions ahead of time with forethought, knowing what this product's going to do in years to come. We truly hope you enjoyed this video. So quality install, guys. We are very pleased to put our name on this vehicle. We've always had the highest standards. We've always worked to our fullest ability. We take a lot of pride in the things that we do, guys. We truly enjoy you. We thank you for viewing.